How to fix Taobao payment failed or not going through. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to fix Taobao payment failed issue. The first thing you want to do is check the basics. You want to confirm you have a stable connection. So for that, you want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also briefly enable airplane mode. Then after some time, turn it off. You also want to make sure Taobao and Alipay apps are updated. To update the app, go ahead and open up Play Store, search Taobao, then tap on the update option. If the error keeps popping, you want to head over to your settings. Then you want to open up Taobao, then tap on the profile icon. Now go ahead and tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Here you want to tap on payment methods. Now verify your card hasn't expired, your billing address matches the bank, and your account is verified for international payments. You also want to disable VPNs or DNS changers, switch the country region if you're abroad, and try an alternative payment method such as different card or linked bank. Next thing you want to do is clear the app's cache. For that, open up your settings, head over to apps. Now you want to search Taobao from this list of applications. Find that, then tap on storage. Now go ahead and tap on clear cache. Once that is done, open up Taobao and this issue of payment failed will be fixed. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.